Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to cancel a Foot Locker order online. First, log in to your Foot Locker account using the same email and password you use when placing your order, either on their website or mobile app. Once you're logged in, click on your account and go to My Orders section. You'll see list of all your recent orders. Find the order you want to cancel. If it's still eligible, you'll see a cancel order button next to it. Just click it and confirm your choice. Foot Locker will send you a confirmation email once your cancellation is complete. If the cancel option isn't there, that means your order is already being processed for shipping. In that case, contact Foot Locker customer support for help. And that's it. That's how to cancel a Foot Locker order online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.